Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to add to what the Honourable Minister has mentioned in relation to the budget process. Thank you all for your submissions. We received close to 200 submissions, and we're reviewing that closely with FRCS. The week before, my team and I met with all the other permanent secretaries and their respective teams in relation to their ministries' budgets in terms of their projects and programs for the next financial year. We're also discussing with RBF, the Bureau of Statistics, in relation to our macroeconomic forecast that will underline the budget, the fiscal framework for the next financial year. As the Minister mentioned, because of the impact of COVID-19, our revenues have been severely affected. The other component, or the other part of the equation to financing the budget, and because we run a deficit budget, the other component to financing is really our domestic and external borrowings. In terms of domestic borrowings, these are really our institutional investors like the FNPF, insurance companies, and commercial banks for short-term borrowing. For external borrowings, we are currently in discussions with our multilateral partners, the ADB, World Bank, and those types of institutions. I think the point I want to maybe perhaps make here is with these multilateral institutions, the financing terms are extremely concessional, and so we get good repayment terms, around 40 years, almost zero interest rates, and that actually helps the government in terms of long-term servicing of debt. So that's essentially where we are in terms of the budget process. And as the Minister mentioned also, this would be a good opportunity to hear from you in terms of some of the key points that you would want to highlight in respect of your budget submissions. Thank you.